Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the last lecture, we were able to set up Java environment on our system. In this lecture, we are going to create our first Java project using VS Code. So in VS Code, you will see create Java project. Click that. Click on no build tools. Then you will see a window which is asking you where you want to create your project. So create a nice location where you want to create your project. So let's say I want to use this location, and where I'm going to keep all my code, I say select project location. After that, it will ask you the name of your project, type the, so let's say I will type my first Java project and press enter. Once you do that, on the left side, you will see a location, a hierarchy like this. In the SRC, you will see your all the source code. At this time, we only have app.java here, which is the class name. The class name is app, and then later on we have main, and then we are printing hello world inside the main. Let's not get into what's happening in the code, because that we are going to cover later. Just say that this is our first Java project and this is the class which prints hello world. Go to run and say run without debugging, or you can say control F5. Once you do that, select Java, and you will see hello world printed below. If this happens, then your environment are all set and you are ready to code in Java. That's all for this session. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.